अस्सलाम वालेकुम। द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। आज का हमारा नया पोएम है द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। एवरी नेम इज कॉल्ड अ नाउन एज field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describe a thing as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done. To read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunction join in many ways, sentence, words or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out hard, I need an exclamation mark. Through poetry we learn how each of these make up parts of